Welcome to Math and Math. This is Raj. This is first video of this channel. In this video, I'm going to solve quadratic equation by factorization. Let's start. This is the first part of this chapter 1, quadratic equation. Exercise 1a, solving the following quadratic equation by factorization. Here is number 1a, x square minus 5x equals to 10. So what we will do, if we common, we will get x. So x minus 5 equals to 0. So what we will write, that x equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. So here is x equals 5, because if we exchange from here to here, we will get minus 5 to 5. So what will be the answer? Answer is 0 and 5. Okay. Second one, 4x square equals 7x. So we exchange 7x from right to left, we will get 4x square minus 7x equals 0. If we take common x, we will get what? 4x minus 7 equals 0. That x equals 0 or 4x minus 7 equals 0. It means 4x equals 7, minus 7 become plus 7, so x equal 7 divided 4. It means both side we divide by 4. So answer will be 0 and 7 divided 4. Then number C, here is 6t square equals to t minus 4. So what we will get, here is 6t square, and here is, if we multiply by t to t minus 4, so we will get t square minus 4t. If we exchange everything from right to left, we will get 6t square, t square will become minus t square, and this is 4t equals 0. Then 6t square minus t square, it will be 5t square, and here is 4t equals 0. So if we common t, we will get 5t plus 4 equals 0. That t equals 0 or 5t plus 4 equals 0. So 5t equals minus 4 or t equals minus 4 divided 5. This is the answer. 0 and minus 4 by 5. Very easy way we can solve the problem. So then D, here is 5y square equals y plus 3. Okay, then same thing, 5y square equals, we multiply y plus 3 by y, so y square plus 3y, or 5y square equal, not equal, this is, we exchange everything, minus y square minus 3y equals 0, or here is 4y square minus 3y equals 0. So if we take common y, we will get, here is 4y and here is minus 3 equals 0. So here is that y equals 0, or 4y minus 3 equals 0, or 4y equal 3, because minus 3 once exchanged it will become plus 3. So y equal 3 divided 4. Answer is 0 and 3 by 4. Very easy way we will solve the problem. So D done. Then E. Equation is a square plus 9a equals 0. A common, so a plus 9 equals 0, that a equals 0 or a plus 9 equal 0, or a equals minus 9. So answer is 0 and minus 9. Okay. Then F. F, here is 3a square equal is 5 minus 2a. So we can write 3a square equal, we multiply 5 minus 2a by a, so 5a minus 2a square, or 3a square minus 2a square become plus 2a square, and here is my 5a become minus 5a equal 0. Okay, then this is 5a square and this is 5a equals 0. We take common 5a, so a minus 1, because here is 5a square, so only a will left, and here is 5a, if we take common only 1 left equals 0. So that 5a equals 0 or a minus 1 equals 0. So a equal 0, and here a equal 1. So answer is 0 and 1. Very easy way we solve our problem. So 1 to F done. So we will try to solve everything by this episode. This episode is episode 1 for chapter 1, quadratic equation. We are solving quadratic equation by factorization. Number G. G, here is x square minus 2x plus 1 equal 0. Look, here is quadratic format. It means a x square plus bx plus c equals 0. So this is x square and coefficient is a, so here is nothing, so no problem. We can solve the problem like middle term factorization. So here is 1 and here is minus 2. So we will make two things where we take addition, it will become minus 2x, and we multiply, it will become 1. So how can we do it? Look, here is x square minus x and minus x. It means 1x and 1x, minus 1x and minus 1x become minus 2x, and 1 multiply, it will become only 1, plus 1 equal 0. So if we take common x, so here is x minus 1, and if we take common minus 1, here is x minus 1 equals 0. So here is x minus 1 and here is x minus 1 equal 0. So what will be the answer? Answer will be that x minus 1 equals 0. So x equal 1, or again x minus 1 equals 0. So x equal 1. So answer is 1 or 1. Okay, very easy way we solve our problem. So Z done, then H. This here is 7a plus a square minus 18 equal 0. So if we synchronize this one, so a square plus 7a minus 18 equals 0. So look here, here is 7 and here is 18. So in this 18 will make two things. By 2 number, once we add, it will become 3a. Once we multiply, it will become 18. So what will be thing? Look, if we get 9 and 2, so look, here is a square plus 9a minus 2a minus 18 equals 0. 9 and 2, if we multiply, we will get 18, and 9 minus 2, it will become 7. So similar thing we will get here. Now common a plus 9 minus 2 common, a plus 9 equal 0. So here is a plus 9 and here is a minus 2 equals 0. That a plus 9 equals 0. So a equal minus 9, or a minus 2 equals 0. So a equals to minus 2 exchange, it will become plus 2. So answer is minus 9 and 2. Very easy way we solve our problem. Number I is 2z square plus 5z minus 3 equal 0. So look, here is 2 and here is 3. Both are what? Constant. So here we will do 2 into 3, it becomes 6. This 6 will make two things. Here is 6 into 1, it means 6, and 6 minus 1, it become 5. Like here 2z square plus what? 6z minus 1z minus 3 equals 0. If we take common 2z, so here is z plus 3, and minus 1 common, here is z plus 3 equals 0. So here z plus 3 and here is 2z minus 1 equals to 0. So look, that z plus 3 equals 0. So z equals to minus 3, or 2z minus 1 equals 0, or 2z equals 1, because minus 1 exchange, so z become 1 divided 2. Answer is -3 and 1 by 2. Okay, hope you understand this one. So I complete. Now we'll start z. Z, c square plus 2c equals to 35. So we can write c square plus 2c minus 35 equals 0. Look, 35 will make, if we make prime factor, so here is 5 and 7. So we can write c square plus 7c minus 5c minus 35 equals 0, or c common, c plus 7 minus 5 common, so c plus 7 equals 0, or c plus 7 and c minus 5 equals 0. That c plus 7 equals 0, so it becomes c equal minus 7, or c minus 5 equals 0, so c equal 5. So answer will be -7 and 5. Okay, then number K, 8p minus 16 minus p square equal 0. So we can write this one, minus p square plus 8p minus 16 equals 0. For our easy format, we can we take common minus, so here is 5 is p square minus 8p plus 16. Once we take common by minus, so inside sign will be changed. So now we multiply both sides -1, so it will become p square minus 8p plus 16 equals 0. So we can write p square, and this is 16. So prime factor, what we'll get? Look, 16, 2, so 8, again 2, 4, 2, 4. So here is again 2, 2. So this 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8, and we need to make what? 8p. So what will be the answer? Look, here is 4 into 4 become 16, 4 plus 4 equals to 8. So we can write 4p minus 4p plus 16 equals 0, or p common, p minus 4 minus 4 common, so p minus 4 equals to 0, or p minus 4, here is p minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so what will be the answer? That, look, that p minus 4 equals 0, so p equals 4, or p minus 4 equals 0, so p equals 4. So what will be the answer? Answer is 4 and 4. Okay, K done. So we can omit this one. Now number L. L is 4 minus 3b minus b square equals 0. So again we can write minus b square minus 3b plus 4 equals 0. We take common minus, so b square plus 3b minus 4 equals 0. We multiply both sides by -1, so here is b square 3b minus 4 equals 0. So what will be the middle term factor? Factor will be 4 ones are 4 and 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So we can write b square plus 4b minus b minus 4 equals 0. So b common, here is b plus 4, minus 1 common, b plus 4 equals 0. So this is b plus 4 and here is b minus 1 equals 0. That b plus 4 or b plus 4 equals 0 or b minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so we can write b equals to minus 4. Again here is b equals to plus 1. So answer will be minus 4 and only 1. Very shortcut way we can solve our problem. So L done. Now M. M is 12 minus a square equals 0. So similar, minus a square minus a plus 12 equals 0, or we take common minus, so a square plus a minus 12 equals 0. We multiply both sides minus 1, so a square plus a minus 12 equals 0. So look, here is 12. So look, 12, here is 3 and 4, multiply become 12, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So here is a square plus 4a minus 3a minus 12 equals 0. So we take common a plus 4 minus 3, a plus 4 equals 0. Or here is a plus 4, a minus 3 equals 0. So that a plus 4 equals 0 or a minus 3 equals 0. So a equals to minus 4, or here a equals to minus 3 exchange become plus 3. So answer is minus 4 and plus 3. M done. So we are almost finished. Only 3 math left. So by this video we will solve balance 3-1. Number n. N is 10 t square minus t equals 2. So here is 10 t square minus t, and this is plus 2 become minus 2 equals 0. Or here is 10 and here is 2, it means 10 into 2 become 20. So we need to make minus t. So how? Look, 5 into 4 become 20, again 5 minus 4 become 1. So we can use this one, 10 t square minus 5t plus 4t minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so here is we take common 5t. So here is 10 divided 5 means 2, and t square divided to 8t, it means only t, and here is minus what? 1. And again here is plus 2 common, here is 2t minus 1 equals to 0. So here is 2t minus 1 and here is 5t plus 2 equals 0. That 2t minus 1 equals to 0, or 2t equals to 1, or t means both sides divided by 2. So here is 2 void and here is 1 by 2, or 5t plus 2 equals to 0, or 5t become minus 2, so t become minus 2 by 5. So answer will be what? One is 1 by 2, another one is minus 2 by 5. Done. O number what? O y square minus 22y plus 96 equals 0. So we need to make prime factor. Here is 96. We can take look. Here is 96 to 48 to 24 to here is 12 to here is 6. Look, 2 to the 4, 4 to is the 8, 8 to is the 16. So look, 16 into 6 means 96. Again 16 plus 6 means 22. So we can write here y square minus 16y minus 6y plus 96 equals 0. So 6 into 6 means 96 and 6 plus 6 means 22. Here is minus sign, so both we will put minus, or here is y common, y minus 16 minus 6 common, so y minus 16 equals to 0. So y minus 16, y minus 6 equals 0. That y minus 16 equals 0, or y equals to 16, or y minus 6 equals 0, so y equals 6. So answer will be what? 16 and 6. Very easy way we solve our problem. And today's final math is P. Here is 12a square minus 16a minus 35 equals 0. So look, here is 12a square minus 16a minus 35. So look, here is 35 into 12, it means 420. So if we make like this, 2 2 1 0, then 2 105, then 5, it's 21 3 7. So here 2 7 means 14, and here is 15 and 2, or it means 2 5 in 3, so 30 minus 14 is 16. So we can write like this way, 12a square minus what? Here is 30a plus 14a minus 35 equals 0. So what will take common here? Here is 6 and a, 6 twice is 12, it means 2a, and 30 divided 6, it means 5, a divided a means 1. So plus here is also same, we will take common 7, so here is 2a minus 35 divided 7, it means 5 equal 0. So here is 2a minus 5, and here is 6a plus 7 equals 0. That 2a minus 5 equals 0, or we can write 2a equals 5, minus 5 become plus 5, or a means 5 divided 2. Okay, and again, or 6a plus 7 equals 0, or 6a equals minus 7, or a means minus 7 by 6. So answer will be 5 divided 2 and minus 7 divided 6. So thank you so much being with me. This is my first video based on math and me is my YouTube channel. I hope you will like this channel, you will click the bell button for getting notification, and should support me. I'm trying to work hard for student by home. They can solve their problem and their exam will be very easy. So thank you so much.